This is Barnyard Animal Sounds 101. Erica, what are you?
I'm a horse.
Make the sound. Oh. Judith, what are you?
Dying of laughter.
Oh. Anybody else have an animal of choice? Emily?
Let's make a rap.
Erica, do you have any more animal sounds up your sleeve?
Well, I have an animal that doesn't live on a farm.
Can you make a velociraptor sound?
Yeah!
Stand away from the camera. It's better. Okay.
Anybody else?
What about you, Laura?
I don't make animal sounds. What about you, Michelle?
I don't make animal sound.
Nice, Bailey.
No, that's actually what my frog would do. That's my horse doing. Can't think of any animals right now.
Marineland.
This is an excellent video.
Go, Bailey, go. Lion?
It's a terrifying barn
Tiger?
animal.
Schmerica? Schmerica? You got any more?
You?
I don't. Come on, Erica has one more.
She's a fish.
Crab?
She's a fish. She's a
Lobster?
sturgeon.
Yeah, sturgeon, the sturgeon.
A turtle?
She's a sturgeon.
She's a blowfish.
Erica, what are you?
What's a sturgeon? A fish.
Mima, she's a